So CV Axle installed with the new CV Axle nut. So that is the CV Axle, by the way, and this is a 2015 Escalade. Using this nut, then you will loosen the 5 bolts holding those guys. Once you loosen those, you will loosen this holding the strut, and then that will be like a 15mm right here, 15mm, and then you will loosen this swivel link a little bit to give it like a wiggle, to where you will have enough room to fit this head in there, and you should be able to put it up. But hold on, you also have to jack it up to get this end to tip in a little bit like that, because when you try to go straight like this, that side will tilt, but it will not be enough space to get the head out. So you have to lift this up, that side will bend in a little bit, and you should be able to go. So this is how it looks with the wheel back on, the brake roller back on. So that's the CV Axle that I was working on. Hold on, there. Yep, that guy. And it comes right here. So can you see from under a little bit?